Hey there, Playmo pals. Today we are taking a look at Series 11 Girls. Let's check it out. Alright, thanks for checking out today's video, guys. We are going to be looking at 3 Playmobil Series 11 mystery figures. This is set 9147, and this is part of the girls line of figures for this particular series. And we have a picture on our front of the package here showing us all the possible figures to collect. I do have 3 of them currently. I do have the German girl, I think she's German, and we have a medieval archer female here, and then we have this mermaid up at the top here, and that is all I've got. So this is going to be a nice little surprise to see what I'm getting today. Hopefully they are all different. And ooh, I've kind of always wanted this one. This is, oh, there we go. Is that it? Can never be too certain. Should always check the bag. We got the hippie girl, and she comes with a guitar, which that makes me very happy. And we actually got we got some duplicate pieces here, and that's always a good thing. So this is a clicky I've seen multiple times on Facebook and Instagram, and I've always thought it was a really nice figure, and I kind of always wished I had it. And today is that day, so that makes me pretty happy. Whoops, let's fix that. She's got her little hippie vest, and oh, she's got a bracelet attached to her arm socket, and that's not going to help. Alright, so body goes in first. Ugh, that was kind of a loud click. I didn't expect that. Here's her face, very nice. Alright, and then she's got this long brown curly hair, and then she has this purple headband. Far out. Oh man. And then attached to the end of it is a little diamond decoration of some kind. Don't really know what this is all about, but it's supposed to jingle and jangle while she walks around and does her thing. And I think we're supposed to move it just a little bit more towards the front of the face here. Kind of like that, so it's not quite on the side. So yeah, very nice. I like the colors, and we have some more purple to add to our ever-growing collection of clickies. I do like purple just because it's not a common color, and you know, you don't see it in Playmobil too often, so it's a nice touch, nice addition, a nice change. And then here is her acoustic guitar put together. And oh, we've got a couple bracelets here that I somehow forgot about. Okay, and then she's got the little handle here for the fretboard, and then voila, we've got our hippie girl. And here's number 2. I have no idea who it is, and I don't know who I want, as long as it's one I don't have. Jeez. And is this a chimney sweep? Oh, she's an equestrian or a jockey. I don't know if one is a better term to use than the other. A horseback rider is basically what I'm trying to get at. And that's very nice. A very nice outfit here. Let's see. Where did the other arm? Okay. So she's got this little bow here. Goes in her hair. I think. Seems awfully tiny. Uh-oh. Alright, so here's what she looks like, fully assembled. Long black boots with white pants, white gloves, and kind of like this little tuxedo outfit with a double-breasted vest underneath there, and a little hat on the top here, which is really nice. It's a very cool figure. And there's supposed to be a white bow there. And then she has her little trophy. And sadly, we have our third and final figure. Ooh, the flower girl. Oh, still feels like, yeah, there we go. Oh, there's more. Oh, we got another duplicate set of bones. So, I love collecting more of these. Every time they give us more bones, that's a great thing. Alright, so this is the flower girl. I always thought this was a weird one. And then I saw it on display at a an antique mall. There is a difference. And I was just like, you know, that's kind of cool. I think I like that figure. And I didn't want to pay antique mall prices for her, so I just kind of in my mind thought, you know what, I'm never going to get her, that's okay. But here we are. Just paid a few dollars for all of these, and that's really exciting. Let's see, is this the same on both sides? The same's right. And she has a very unique head and face. We don't have many clickies with yellow heads, if any, other than this one. Let's see, she's got the orange hair. Is this right? Is this what it's supposed to be? Wow, that's on there kind of tight. Or was I supposed to put this on first? Ooh, whoops, okay. Yeah, that click was probably not a good click to click. There we go. This seems really tight. That kind of makes me a little nervous. And then she holds a flower. Oh, that's very nice. So, anyway, this is a very nice figure. It's still weird to me. It's just a really unique design though, and that's why I do like it. But yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, we've got the hippie, we've got this really neat flower girl, and then we have the equestrian horseback rider here, champion horseback rider, and it's a really nice arrangement of clickies, I gotta say. I think my favorite of the three is probably the hippie girl for the win, for sure. I just like the colors, and of course I'm a musician as well, and I do like the guitar, so she wins just on that alone. I'll eventually find that little white ribbon that goes on the horseback rider's hair, so it's gonna be a hot minute though, because that is a very tiny piece and there's a lot to look through. I'm pretty sure it is on the floor right now. Either way, guys, that is it for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget you can check us out on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. I think we're overdue for another unboxing of a playset, don't you guys think? Well, we're going to be working on one and getting it posted as soon as possible. But until then, guys, thanks a lot again for watching, and we will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.